Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Definitely appreciate you taking some time out of your day to pay me a visit. I am out on the Elgin pool of the Fox River. It is March 15th. I would have much preferred to be on the St. Charles stretch of the Fox River, but Boy Scout Island's not open yet. So the DMV ramp here on Elgin, I don't think it ever closes. I've never seen the gate closed, never seen any signage about it ever being closed. So yeah, we're out here hoping to find a smallmouth bite. I was out on the Elgin stretch yesterday and caught a decent amount of largemouth. Nothing really big, but got an itch for some smallmouth, so that's what we're going to be chasing. It's another relatively nice day. Yesterday it was about 80 degrees, absolutely unseasonably warm. Today we're looking at like low 60s, but super windy. I just was going through some whitecaps, trying to get down to the spot that I was eyeballing. I don't really know what my game plan is for this Elgin stretch. I'm going to definitely fish the bridges that I normally fish. I was kind of eyeballing the sanitation plant that's just a little bit downstream of the boat ramp. I've always looked at it, but I've never fished it because I've really only fished this stretch in the summer. So yeah, I didn't see an outlet, and I'm thinking it might come out into that creek. So I think we might try to check out that creek, and actually, I think there might be another warm water discharge right here. Or maybe these are intakes. I can't quite tell. But anyway, we're going to go fish, hopefully find some smallmouth, and have a decent day here. All right, we're going to go up to the bridges, kind of where my confidence is a little bit better. This water looks real nice, but just not really seeing any signs of life. I think that's a fish. It sure feels like a fish. I think it's a snag, though. I am thinking that's a snagged carp. I don't know if that's a fish. That is a nice one. Come on up to the surface. Let's see what we got here. That is a giant. Is that a flathead or a channel? All right, well, we didn't get... Wrong species! Flathead. Yeah. All right, buddy, get out of here. Oh, you're still wrapped. All right, well, that one came on a coffin bill, flat-sided crankbait. I don't really have a name for this pattern. This is one of the ones I think I stole from Rapala years ago. It's like a transparent purple plum shad thing. But it's a flat-sided, which is supposed to be good for these colder temps. All right, well, got the skunk out of the boat at least. Big old flathead. Down another jig. Ugh. Oh, there we go. We got a smallie. All right. Not a very big one, but man, I tell you, feels good to finally get back and do a smallmouth, no matter what size it is. I feel like I've been getting hit all along this little spot. The water's up maybe about a foot higher than what I'm used to on this pool. Normally I can't even like nose in here, but there is a really good gravel bar right up here. And it kind of, you know, converges right here, especially with that little gravel bar that's right there. I think that shopping cart might be the key to this whole thing. With it being a double-decker, yeah, definitely. All right, let's go find another one, hopefully, here. To just recap, we worked this whole area with a spinnerbait already and a quarter-ounce jig, which I pretty much immediately lost. And now we're working a square bill. That one came on a 1.5 inch, or square bill 1.5, in an electric blue pattern. Ooh, there's another one. It feels, well, I was gonna say it feels a little better than the last one, but not much. Hey, it's only taken me 5 hours. Just, that's right. No, this is smallmouth bass. I did catch a 7-pound catfish earlier, though. We got something. It's either a snag or a giant fish. Well, alright, that's just a carp. Give me back my square bill. Come on. Got him right in the frickin' fin. Get. I must have took out some line. Frick. Come on, just... Thank you. Good God. Alright, well... Just broke off a square bill. I think we're gonna just about call it. This air temperature is dropping very quickly. Decent enough day. You know, I'm not going to complain. I'd say we caught an average amount of fish for this time of the year. So, thanks for sticking with me, everyone. We'll see you all next time.